you ready? Yeah. Sing along to the chorus. Phil, you're the orchestra for this one.
He's tuning up.
Oh, now he's tuning. Oh, you're all good with the comedy. When it's time to play, you slow it down. Where else is everyone from? So we got LA.
Virginia.
Hershey. Virginia.
Maryland.
Sir? South Carolina. Houston. Oh my God, you know. It's so great to see a familiar face. I've seen a lot of you at the stage door in the West End. I remember you were supposed to come to Love Never Dies and it never happened. That's right. Bristol, let's go.
I know how this feels.
Ma'am, sir? You were at Love Never Dies. Who's seen us in Phantom then? And you got the DVD? Those were good times. We had as much fun doing it as hopefully you saw when you were there. It was just a great time. Okay, we're ready for some Oklahoma. You ready to sing? There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. The corn is as high as an elephant's eye, and it looks like it's climbing clear up to the sky. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. All the cattle are standing like statues. All the cattle are standing like statues. They don't turn their heads as they see me walk by. And a little brown maverick is winking her eye. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. All the sounds of the earth are like music. All the sounds of the earth are like music. The wind is so busy it don't miss a tree. And old weeping willow is laughing at me. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I got a beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. Beautiful feeling, beautiful feeling, beautiful feeling, beautiful feeling. I'm gonna try something. The circus is falling down on its knees. The big top is crumbling down. It's raining in Baltimore, 50 miles east. Where you should be, no one's around. need a phone call. I need a raincoat. I need a big love. I need a phone call. These train conversations are passing me by, and I don't have nothing to say. You get what you paid for, but I just had no intention of living this way. I need a phone call. I need a plane ride. I need a sunburn. I need a raincoat. And I get no answers. And I don't get no change. It's raining in Baltimore, baby, where everything else is the same. There's things I remember, and there's things I forget. I miss you, I guess that I should. 3,500 miles away. What would you change if you could? I need a phone call. Maybe I should buy a new car. And I can always hear a freight train. I'd like to hear a little guitar. And I wish it was a small world, 'cause I'm lonely for the big town. Maybe it's time to put the talk down. I need a phone call. I need a phone